This tutorial is for 3rd grade, Module 1, Lesson 16. We're still working on our 4 facts in this module, and this lesson is to give strategies for when we don't necessarily know a certain 4 fact. We're using our combination of arrays and the distributive property to give the students a strategy for coming up with answers when they're multiplying numbers by 4. The first problem shows an array that is 6 times 4. Rather than counting all of the circles to come up with my answer of 6 times 4, we've broken it into 2 separate arrays. The first array is showing 5 rows of 4, and the last one is 1 row of 4, for a total of 6 rows of 4. The reason we do this is many kids are very good at learning their 5 facts right away. So if I know that 5 times 4 is 20, then I just need to add one more group of 4 to that to come up with the answer of 6 times 4. We can show it down here. 6 times 4 is the same as 5 times 4 plus 1 times 4. Since 5 times 4 is 20 and 1 times 4 is 4, then 6 times 4 is 24. So if a child is having trouble remembering what 6 times 4 equals, they can just think of 5 times 4 and one more group of 4 added on to that. We'll use the same process as we look at 7 times 4. So over here I have an array that is 7 rows of 4, but rather than counting each row, I've broken the array up into 2 sections. The first section is 5 groups of 4, or 5 rows of 4, which is 20. And again, that's a fact that most students can learn quickly. And 2 times 4 is 8, another fact that most students learn very quickly. And now all I need to do is to combine those 2 answers. 5 times 4 is 20, 2 times 4 is 8, add both of them, and I get 28. 7 times 4 is 28, because it's a combination of 5 times 4 and 2 times 4. So breaking those apart helps students learn greater multiplication facts like 7 times 4. Here I have a variety of multiplication expressions in the clouds and some problems in the balloons, and I need to match the equal expressions. If I look at the first cloud, I have 5 times 4 plus 3 times 4. Since 5 plus 3 is 8, this is really showing me 8 times 4. A group of 5 times 4 and a group of 3 times 4 is the same as 8 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20, 3 times 4 is 12. Combine them and I get an answer of 32. And I just need to find the balloon that matches that. Down here I see 8 groups of 4, which is 32. So this cloud matches this balloon. The next one I have 5 times 4 and 1 times 4, which is the same as 6 times 4. I take 20 plus 4 and I get 24. Match that to this balloon. Again, 6 times 4 for a product of 24. Here I have 5 times 4 again, which is 20, and 4 times 4, which is 16. Since I took 5 times 4 and 4 times 4, I can show that as 9 times 4. And 20 and 16 together make 36. And I look for the balloon that shows that. 9 times 4 is 36. And my last one, 5 times 4 is 20, plus 2 times 4, which is 8. 5 and 2 is 7, so I'm really taking 7 times 4. 20 plus 8 is 28, and that matches this balloon. 7 times 4 is 28. So you can see how helpful it is to break up these problems into 5 times the number and more than that to help learn those multiplication facts.